do you find that you try to connect the productivity kind of metrics that you're tracking around handle time and resolution times and number of touches to the outcomes? In other words, are those two metrics being connected through your systems?
So I would say ideally, yes. It's not always the case. It gets tricky sometimes. But one thing with metrics, I guess what this whole conversation is about, is truly trying to understand the what is good and what is bad. If you can understand that, and that gets to be really tricky even of itself, because like handle time is a pretty typical metric for folks. If you say the word handle time, a lot of people think, oh, well, you want it to go down. But is going down good or bad? Maybe actually sometimes you really want it to go up. And you're running a project or running a program or trying to do something because you want to take advantage of that time that you're on the phone with the customer and you're working with them because you're trying to make a larger impact in more of the long run. You're building a relationship with them that you actually want your handle time to go up or your cost to go up. And those things sometimes are counterintuitive, but if you're looking towards the entire success of the customer and where you're making that impact, you could start to say, well, this touch point, if you can label the case in a certain way or document it in a certain way that said, all right, I talked to them about this thing. Did they then go do that thing? And if you can correlate those and you took an extra 5, 10, 20, whatever minutes to deliver that value for the customer, then you're really starting to make a difference later on the customer journey. And if you then think of support and what you're supposed to be doing is, what is the purpose of support at your company? Then that cost element starts to come into it, maybe more so, but you want to understand truly what you're getting for that cost at the end of it.